This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use two different speakers on your Android phone. So I think this might only be for Samsung. So if I scroll down from the top right, we can scroll on down and go to sound and vibration and tap this. There's an option under here called separate app audio. Play sound from one app on a different audio device. So we can tap this and you just turn this on. So all you have to do is choose your app. So I got YouTube on here. So maybe you have like YouTube Music, you listen to that, and you want to listen to that on your headset. Well, you can add more apps under here as well. So if you want a different app, you got all your different app selections, you can just add it there. These are just the ones that came with it. Choose your app and then choose your audio device. So if you have your AirPods connected, go to Bluetooth. Now anytime you connect to Bluetooth, it's going to play over that separate sound. So you can choose your phone too under here. So you can have something playing on your phone, and then on a separate speaker, you can have your other music source on there. So you can just look at this and try it out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.